Hi guys, Amar here, back with another video. Just very quickly, this is going to be a very short video. It's as much a reminder video for myself as it is for you. For people who are new to the journey of funded trading, this is going to be a great lesson. It'll kind of really help you set the framework of how you want to get into funded trading and how you want to strategize your way to that elusive 100K account, 200K account, etc., and so on and so forth. For people who already have funded accounts, this is going to be a healthy reminder. So I highly recommend you watch to the end. Let's jump right into it. So when I got my when I got my Forex funded account, my Forex funds account, like live funded account. Sorry, that's just a lot of words there. So when I got my MFF live funded account, as you can see in two videos before, I might even tag it up here, like in this video. They like in the email that they sent me, they actually gave me a nice little summary of kind of what their stats have found as to people who stay funded, what do they do, etc. So so we'll just quickly run through this. A lot of you already know this, but it's just very good practice just to know, so when you start trading, how they ideally want you to start trading. So the best funded traders risk no more than 1% per trade and have a 1-to-1 or higher RR. I feel that this metric is far more important than actually this one. Yes, so the 1% is fine. That's just a very standard. You can do 0.5%. I know some traders 1%, 2%, so that's okay. But most importantly is whatever you're risking, are you making more than what you're risking? This 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 2, as I've mentioned in my previous videos as well. So whatever strategy that you are using, you really want to aim to get that higher 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 type of returns. That might not always be possible when it comes to maybe the scalping strategies sometimes, but definitely when it comes to day trading strategies and swing trading strategies, you especially want to look for those kind of higher metrics. With swing trading, the problem is that then you run into just too many days that you are waiting in a trade. 3% of funded traders lose their money in the first month. So that's due to poor risk management. Again, that literally comes back right here. If you are consistently making 1 to 3, 1 to 4 type of trades, then this will actually work itself out. Doesn't matter what your risk management is, as long as you're making nice successful trades, and you're risking around that 1-2%, 3% type of thing, then you should be very comfortably making those type of healthy returns. 99% of traders who trade highly leveraged crypto. Now, this is very important. Highly leveraged crypto do not reach funded status due to volatility and high trade size. So for those of you who like to day trade crypto, as I mentioned before in my videos, I do not like to day trade crypto. The only one that I might even touch is Bitcoin, and that's it. Anything else, save it for your own live accounts, not for funded accounts, just because of the way that crypto works. It's it's very, very risky. And for a lot of you, you do not have the correct mindset, the correct patience to be able to trade those type of instruments. Stick with Forex, stick with metals. The traders who have remained funded in their second month without breaching the rules have no more than 3% daily drawdown on any given day. You see, so that's a good rule to keep in mind. So so once you start getting close to the 3% daily drawdown, close out your trades and really kind of reevaluate kind of what happened today. Maybe you were trading news, maybe you didn't stick to your rules entirely. Just reevaluate and kind of come back for another day. And the most profitable traders in percentage return do not trade more than 5 trades in any given day. So there you go. So scalpers again are at a disadvantage when it comes to funded trading accounts. Doesn't mean that scalpers don't get funded. They absolutely do. I know many scalpers who do. But that being said, I know just as many scalpers who don't. In fact, I know double the amount of scalpers who probably will never get funded. So that so you really want to keep in mind that. And I'm going to quickly jump over to my Forex fund stats, which actually came out as well. So my Forex funds updated their February stats, and this is even more telling. So first and foremost, here we go. The MT4 MT5 split is 61-39, so MT4 is still king. MT4 for the win. I really hope that the MQL team sticks with MT4 and doesn't mess around that way. They paid out 14 million in February. Wow. Pass rate for phase one across all evaluations was 19%, 42% for phase two. So that's good. So that means that the people are getting better at being able to pass phase one and then sticking at passing phase two. So here, this is so telling right there. I know a lot of people on YouTube who love to trade like the indices, especially US 30s, the NAS 100. Those are very, very risky indices to trade. Like myself personally, I love just trading sticking with the S&P 500, the SPX 500. That's pretty much the extent of my trading. Ever since I kind of learned about this one, I was like, yep, that makes perfect sense. So look, of those that passed and reached a live account but failed their account before the first payout, the majority of traders had at least one trade in the US 30. Now, just because there's a correlation there doesn't mean that there's a causation, but that being said, it is something to keep an eye on. Most profitable pair of February was Euro USD. Least profitable pair of February was US 30 again. Second least profitable pair was the NAS 100, and the third one was the German DAX, the Bund. I know a lot of people like to trade these indices, but indices will whip you around, and they're just no fun to trade. I find majority of payouts over 20,000 traded only forex and metals. Now that is immensely telling. And look at the volume that they're looking at, over 26 billion, 26.5, yeah, 26.5 billion trades, of volume. I should say, like, I don't know if that's lots or if that's like how they're measuring that, or just like individual trades. But based on all of that, what they're most importantly are looking at is they traded only forex and metals. So if you're just starting out, please, please, please ignore US 30, NAS 100, DAX, all of that nonsense. Stick with like the majors, Euro USD, Pound USD if you like, Pound JPY, the Dragon. For of course, you have gold, you have I would love to trade oil, but I know that some funded brokers have issues with with the way that oil is leveraged out. So you just want to be careful with that one. But but in my own live accounts, I love trading oil. I find that oil can really grow your account immensely. But I kind of save that for my own live accounts. And yeah, so you just really want to keep that in mind. So between these two stats over here, it's very, very telling. Just keep in mind that the most important takeaways here: be very careful with the indices you're trading, and whatever trading strategy you have, aim for that 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 type of risk ratios. If you can at least manage those few things, I think your funded trading performance is going to dramatically improve, and that is what I always aim to do with my own trading as well. So if you look at my previous videos, that is why I have this AI tool that I use. It gets me the right directions, help me to trade those trend, primarily like those trend trades, which will then absolutely help get you to those 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 type of risk reward ratios, without you having to think about it much. So definitely take a look at those videos. I have a link in my description below as well, so take a look at that, and I think you're going to have, hopefully you'll have a lot of success there. Reach out to me via email. Again, my email is in the description box as well. Any questions regarding funded trading, live trading, what indicators I'm using, so on and so forth. So let me know and we can talk then. All right. So I'll keep this short. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.